Hope you guys are doing well. All right. All right, so I asked a poll from you guys last week about what kind of law do you practice, and it looks like a majority of you guys are business law, personal injury, and criminal defense. So with the big one being business law. Pretty interesting to know. I'll try to tailor my videos towards these kinds of areas of law. Specifically, I do business law myself, so I know a lot more about that. But I am also going to be getting into marketing for PI and employment law. So, I'll keep this in mind. So this is really helpful. Anytime I put up any polls, it's really going to help me figure out exactly who you guys are and what things you guys are interested to know about. All right, today I want to talk about Slack and what Slack is and how you guys could use this tool for internal communication between your employees. All right, so Slack is a very big messaging software. It was first released to replace internal email that you have between your workers and your staff. So this is what my Slack looks like. At this point, I have probably 20-30 virtual people, even more than these people that are showing right now on my team, working for different entities, different law firms that I have. And basically, it's just a very easy way to communicate with people in your team. So obviously, there's direct messages, and there's also channels, which are essentially group chats. So every team, has their internal groups. There's different groups. There's a group of closers. There's a group of admins. Let's say closers, and I have admin team. Anytime I need to message or make an announcement, I usually make these Loom videos, and I make those announcements in there. The other good part about Slack, it has integration with other softwares. It has integration with Google Drive. So anytime somebody shares a document with me in Google Drive, this automatically gets posted here. So that way, I don't have to go find it right away. I get a notification. The other thing I installed recently was that there's automatic Stripe and PayPal notifications of payments made. So that way, if there's a successful payment, then my team is can see that right away. Or if there's a failed payment, if somebody's trying making the payment and for whatever reason the card didn't work or didn't go through, basically my team is able to see these and be able to contact the people. So let's just say this one says failed for $297, and then it was for invoice that was sent out, and this is the prospect's contact information, and then basically what was the reason why the card was declined. And there's a lot of other integrations. Basically, just say you can set up your CRM. If let's just say somebody gets added to a CRM, automatically you could get notified the team or a Slack channel. There's so many different ways to play around with this, but I definitely recommend Slack. If you guys are not using it internally, you definitely should. Other than that, yeah, I'm trying to figure out the best way to kind of help you guys. So if you guys have any ideas, things that you guys are interested to know about, please let me know in the comment section below. Or if you have any specific questions about your particular problems and things that you're dealing with, let me know. We could get on a Zoom call, this video call, and we could record these videos and put it up the legal phone members group so that other people could learn from them. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Please like this video and talk to you guys soon.